Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Sunday, April 25th, 2008 am. The teachings of great beings sent by God that influenced humanity have been distorted by men. That is particularly true for the teachings of both Jesus and Muhammad, which in the beginning was a code of life, love, and respect for one's fellow man. What has become of it? For centuries, it has given rise to repression, extremist activities, and a feeling of guilt maintained among followers, creating a system of material compensation for the maintenance of the respective representatives of these movements. These religions have given and are still giving a pretext for all excesses. When will men understand that a unique God governs the universe and that as such a piece of this God dwells in them? The challenge to be taken up is to find this sanctuary within themselves. It is enough to seek Him with determination, far from blinding dogmas. If inspired by his own wisdom, when he really wishes so, man finds the suitable guide for his profound aspiration, the Venerable. Sunday, April 26, 2008 am. This Sufi proverb about the horseman and snake shows clearly that man cannot understand or interpret the painful periods he must sometimes go through. He does not appreciate them and believes he is forgotten, abandoned to his sad fate. That is an essential aspect. Throughout his life, the human being is confronted with difficulties and dramas that leave him a broken man. He needs a strong philosophy of life to admit that all that he must endure is meant for his own good. Being completely surrendered is the most difficult thing to achieve. The great sages reached that stage after having weathered many storms. Their hearts sacrificed on the altar of faith, love, and utmost confidence. Advance in that direction, my dear sister, without seeking to know the why of things, since the secrets of God cannot be revealed in life. Let yourself be carried like a child, living on the graces which your heart receives, the Venerable.